Good morning, class. Good morning, students. Today's class we are going to learn about literature, and the topic which we will be covering today is poem. The first poem of your PT1 syllabus, and the name of the poem is Madhobi, the Young Spring Flower. It has been written by Gurudev Sri Rabindranath Tagore. As far as this poem is concerned, this poem I have written from some source available on internet. This poem as of now अभी आपके ई प्लस पे ये अपलोड शायद नहीं हुई है. देर आर ओनली LR क्वेश्चंस विच आर प्रेजेंट देयर. लेकिन आई थॉट कि उसके पहले बिफोर वी स्टार्ट विद एनीथिंग एल्स लेट अस कवर आवर फर्स्ट पोएम, एंड दैट पोएम इज मधोबी. I think all previous videos, all the topics which I have taught earlier are really clear to you, and because of those topics which we have done in our grammar, let us continue with the literature portion. And the first poem which I will be covering is Madhobi. It is the young spring flower. The name of the poem is Madhobi, and it is based on the name of a flower. Okay, just look at this video, this image here. This is the image of Madhobi flowers. अब इनमें खासियत क्या है, एंड वाई इट हैज़ बीन नेम्ड एज द यंग स्प्रिंग फ्लावर. मधोबी एक ऐसी फ्लावर है, एक ऐसा फूल है जो कि बहुत शॉर्ट लिव्ड होता है, स्प्रिंग में पैदा होता है, स्प्रिंग सीजन में पैदा होता है, थोड़े दिन के लिए, थोड़े समय के लिए रहता है और उसी समय जाने के लिए तैयार होता है जिस समय ओरिजिन होता है उसका. मतलब एज सून एज इट कम्स, एज सून एज इट ब्लूम्स, उसी समय उसको पेरिश होकर वापस अपने जहाँ से आया वहीं पे जाना होता है. सो दिस पोएम इज ऑल अबाउट दैट. Now there are 2-3 different things which are there in this poem, and as far as this poem is concerned, firstly we'll be reading this poem, then I'll tell you what is this poem all about. Madhobi, the young spring flower, is in a rush to leave. Rush मतलब जल्दी में है, छोड़कर जाने की. As soon as it arrives, जब आया तभी छोड़कर जाने की. In a sudden wave of splendor. Splendor मतलब बहुत खूबसूरत, very beautiful, very splendid, very beautiful, and it is awesome to look at. No, no, cry out the leaves. पत्ते क्या बोलते हैं? नहीं नहीं. Whispering protest. It means you are whispering with one another. Voices are not even audible to the person next to you, but they are protesting कि अभी नहीं जाएंगे आप. The stars in the heaven exclaim, won't you hurry along? क्या आप हमारे साथ नहीं जाएंगे? We need you so. Stars फ्लावर को बोल रहे हैं, मधोबी फ्लावर को, हमें आपकी ज़रूरत है. But the leaves encircle the blossom. Leaves ने घेरा डालकर फ्लावर के आसपास खड़े हो गए हैं. And plead means they are praying, do not leave us. The southern breeze blows past. Southern breeze उसके पास से गुजर गई. And murmurs, come with me, the little one. किसको बोल रही है the little one? Is the Madhobi flowers. उसको बोल रही है आप मेरे साथ चलिए. Far away the infinite blue sinks into the twilight. Twilight का मतलब morning से evening हो गया. From dawn to dusk. The times have changed. और the night of the full moon recedes. full moon की नाइट धीरे धीरे कम हो रही है, घट रही है और सवेरा होने चला है. No time left for us, my dear. हमारे लिए कोई समय नहीं बचा है, हमें अभी के अभी जाना होगा. No, please no, please मत जाइए. Whisper the dancing leaves, जो कि उसके आसपास ऐसे घेरा डालकर खड़े हैं उस फ्लावर के. As they throng around the disappearing flower. अब वो flower धीरे धीरे से disappear हो रहा है, and they are all standing around that flower in a way that they will, इस उम्मीद में कि वो उसको रोक लेंगे. Okay, I hope this poem is clear to you. Easier one, nothing much to understand. This poem was actually written in Bengali by Gurudev Sri Rabindranath Tagore, but this has been translated into the English language by Anandamayi Majumdar, as it has been written here. Please go through the poem once again so that there are no doubts present in your explanation and in your poem. So let us come to the key highlights of the poem. First of all, we'll be reading about the poet Sri Rabindranath Tagore ji, about Madhobi, what is this flower all about, and its brief summary. Okay. Poet Sri Rabindranath Tagore. The poem is a translation from original Bengali poem which has been written by Sri Rabindranath Tagore. Its English translation is done by Anandamayi Majumdar. Sir Tagore was a Bengali polymath. Polymath hota hai who has read so many other cultures and religions, who reshaped the Indian literature and music. He was the first non-European मतलब यूरोप से नहीं थे, इंडिया से थे, to win a Nobel Prize in Literature in year 1913. So he was a very known and renowned Nobel laureate, only and only belonging to India. Okay, now let us come to Madhobi. Madhobi is a short-lived flower that blooms in the spring season. पैदा ही कब होता है? स्प्रिंग सीजन में. It has a very short lifespan. बहुत छोटी सी उम्र होती है इस फ्लावर की. It is in a hurry to leave at the end of the day. बहुत छोटी उम्र होती है लेकिन बहुत खूबसूरत होता है. It's splendid. It is beautiful. The flowers, the wind and the stars all are eager to take the flower Madhobi back on the day of its arrival. वो उस सबको लेकर जाना चाहते, सब उसको लेकर जाना चाहते थे वापस. जिस दिन वो आया उसी दिन लेकर जाना चाहते थे. But the leaves only, they surrounded the flower in a manner, उसके घेरा बना के बैठे थे, and they never wanted the flower to go at the same time. They plead it not to leave, but the stars in the sky want the flowers to be one of them, and the southern wind धीरे से उसके पास से गुजर के उसको उड़ाकर ले गई. Isn't this interesting one? Okay, so let us come to the summary of the poem. Very easy one, very simple one also. You can read it again and आपको easily समझ में आ जाएगी. The poem Madhobi is the young spring flower. बहुत छोटा सा फ्लावर है, यंग है, एक दिन का लाइफ स्पैन है इसका. उसी समय जाना चाहता है जिस समय उसने अपना बर्थ लिया, पैदा हुआ, द सेम डे. बट द लीव्स ऑफ द फ्लावर दे इंसिस्ट नॉट टू गो. लेकिन बाकी सब उसको लेकर जाना चाहते हैं वापस अपने पास. It is based around a rare flower that only grows for a short duration. छोटे से समय के लिए पैदा होता है and then it dies. It's an exceptionally beautiful flower. The first line, Madhobi, the young spring flower, indicates that Madhobi only grows in the spring season. कब पैदा होता है? Spring season में ही. The second line is in rush to leave. जल्दी में है छोड़कर जाने की. Its lifespan is about to end. In the poem Madhobi, the young spring flower, the poet tells about a beautiful young spring flower which is in a hurry to leave, but the leaves urge it not to go away. उसको सिर्फ लीव्स ही रोकना चाहते हैं, बाकी सब तो साथ में लेकर जाना चाहते हैं. The stars in the sky call out and say that they need it urgently. अभी अभी हमें लेकर जाना है इसको. And it should go to them soon. अभी आ जाए हमारे साथ. The third line, as soon as it arrives, indicates it's in a rush to leave as soon as it arrives. जब वो पैदा हुआ उसी समय उसको जाने की पड़ी है. This indicates its short lifespan. The fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth lines, no, no, cry out the leaves, whispering protest. सिर्फ leaves उसको बोलते हैं कि आप please मत जाइए. This line indicates that the leaves surrounding the Madhobi spring flower are protesting, रोक रहे हैं उसको, and they are requesting the flower not to leave. प्लीज़ मत जाइए, अभी नहीं जाइए, आप बहुत खूबसूरत हैं, आप हमारे साथ रहिए. But the leaves surround the blossom from all sides and plead that it should not go away. और बाद में क्या होता है लास्ट में? Then the southern breeze blows, हवाएं चलती हैं, and murmurs to the flower, उसके कान में कुछ 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 प्यार से बोलती हैं, and asks it to go along with her, उनके साथ चले. It also wants to take the flower along, उनके साथ में जाने की कोशिश. It hastens मतलब तेजी करते हैं, and says that the blue sky had been replaced by the dusk. Dawn से dusk हो चुकी है, सुबह से शाम हो चुकी है. अब सुबह आप पैदा हुए थे, अब आपका जाने का समय है, प्लीज़ हमारे साथ चलिए. And then the night of the full moon receded मतलब धीरे धीरे फुल मून वाली नाइट खत्म हो रही है. Fading away, leaving no time to be spared. हमारे पास और समय नहीं है, हमें अभी के अभी आपको लेकर अपने साथ जाना है. And once again the dancing leaves stand around the flower and whisper and plead that it should not go away. वो उनके साथ नहीं जाए, but it has the tendency that the day it belongs, it takes birth, उसी समय उसने तो वापस जाना है, so it has to go anyway. But only the flowers, the leaves of the flower, they only insist it not to go. Rest everybody, the breeze, the और कौन कौन है, it also wants to take, सर्दर्न ब्रीज उसको लेकर जाना चाहती है, उसको मून लेकर जाना चाहता है मधोबी फ्लावर को, बट ओनली द लीव्स आस्क इट नॉट टू गो. Isn't this an interesting one? I hope you have understood this poem very well. बहुत छोटी सी poem है, एक बार दोबारा से पढ़ लेंगे, you will understand everything very clearly. And most important thing, I want everybody to give the attendance on the attendance interface that I specially make out for you people. Specially, I have made that attendance interface on Google Classroom itself. Those who mark attendance there are given present, and those who do not mark attendance there, I'm sorry to say, I give them absent immediately at that point itself. And the most important thing, kindly give me feedback then and there after you watch video. नॉट ऑन व्हाट्सएप इंटरफेस. प्लीज़ इंटरफेस व्हाट्सएप पे मुझे कभी भी कमेंट्स या कभी भी फीडबैक्स मत भेजिए. आई ओनली वॉन्ट फीडबैक ऑन दी poem itself where I've uploaded the content, so that I get to know whether you've understood this poem and the way of teaching whatever I teach in my classroom is okay to you or not. And for better understanding, please watch these videos by downloading them on your bigger screens. It can be your laptops, it can be your desktops, it can be your TVs as well. And any queries you can write in the comment section. And most importantly, stay home, stay safe, and stay safe from coronavirus. Please watch these videos again for better understanding. Thank you and have a good day ahead. Bye bye. Take care.